everyone, welcome back. As you can probably see by the catfish thumbnail, this is gonna be a get ready with me makeup and hair tutorial. Really excited, so make sure to keep watching if you want to see me get ready and show you the products that I use for my hair and my face. Before I get into the get ready with me, obviously I started this with my makeup on because oh god, if I didn't you'd be scared. I want to show you this really quickly, alright, so just stick around for this bit. It is the Lookfantastic beauty chest, right, and I'm so excited. I feel like you all need to see this. I have used a product in this for my makeup and it is such a beautiful product and I'm really excited about it. It is an hourglass powder under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, down my nose. Like I've used this under here and I cannot believe it. It looks like Facetune, but it's a little chest thing like this. Christmas is only around the corner, which is terrifying, but this is the chest that Lookfantastic are doing and look how cute it is. It's like a little drawer and then it's got a top bit. How good of a present would that be for you or someone that you know? So if you want to tell your boyfriend, hey, look at this, and send him the link, because I will link this below with all the details in it, but I will show you what products you get inside because obviously you want to know what you're buying. First up is this, which I was talking about. This is the setting powder that I've used for this makeup look. I thought, oh my god, I can't not use this, so I've used it. It's the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. This is retailing at £17, which is crazy. I'm so excited about this next one. They're these like eye capsule things. I think you'll have seen them on Instagram or somewhere. They're called cleansing oil capsules. You get a travel case with them. And I've never ever used these, but I've seen them everywhere, so I'm excited. I am getting old now, so I do need these. This is a full size product that retails at £20. Oh my god, that's so exciting. So I love like feathery brows, but my brows take so long to grow. Look what they've put in, a Marley, I think that's how you pronounce it, Marley brow growth oil, and it retails at £35 as well. How good is that? We've got a By Terry lip gloss, which is £14. We've got an Elemis product, which is a Pro Collagen Eye Revive mask, and I love Elemis. It's actually Lookfantastic that got me into Elemis and I just love them. This is a full size product that retails at £55 as well. Then we've got this. This is a nighttime moisturizer, rich probiotic night cream, and this is worth £32. This is such like a luxury box. I love it. Anyone of any age would be happy with this box. So we've got this regenerating serum, which retails at £44, and that's everything in the top bit. And then we go to the little drawer at the bottom, which I love. I'm going to reach for my favourite thing that I've seen so far. This is the Glow Eye Mask, and I love it. Look how silky and cute it is. £12.99. Then we've got an Ico liner, which I've actually already got one of these. It's a skinny one as well, which is so good for getting like a precise shape. And this retails at £16. Then we've got this 24K Gold Wrinkle Repair Cream. That retails at £28. And then we have this, which is £28, and it is a clarifying oil-free water gel. £28 for that. That is good. And we've got a mascara, which is so exciting, and that retails at £22. And then this last one's quite a big one. So this is a 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence, and this retails at £60, which is amazing. All those products are worth over £383 in that box. You can get £15 off this box as well with my code. So if you use this on Lookfantastic when you sign up to a 3-month box, a 6-month or a 9-month for limited time only, you can use the code LUCYLBB and that'll get you 15% off this chest. Which is amazing. My nana would love that, or my mum. Literally anyone in your family who loves all things beauty, that is perfect because you get a little bit of everything. Yeah, I thought I would add this in before my makeup video because I wanted to make you all aware of this and like the money you can get off it and stuff. And I'm going to leave all the links below for you all so that you can have a look yourself and see if you would like to get it. But yeah, do not forget you can get a whopping £15 off for that. Yeah, all info will be below for that, but I will get started on the makeup video. Just get prepared for how much of a catfish I look. I'm going to do my hair first because I put it in clips like rollers. What I use for my hair is literally just this Beauty Works curler. I use it all the time when I want to curl my hair, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I use heat protection spray all the time because I try to use it as much as I can. I don't use it as much as I should, but the one that I use is Living Proof. The reason I love this so much is because of the smell. Like, the smell is unreal. I'm going to just put my fringe up because I always just like do my fringe last. I don't really do a lot to it, to be honest. How pretty is this? Wow. What I do is I get dry shampoo, again Living Proof. I just love the smell of every product that they do. It all smells the same, like the hair conditioner and stuff. I just do this. I go like under my hair. good, it smells so good. Yeah, the reason I do this, my hair's literally freshly washed, but my hair doesn't have a lot of texture and like volume. It's not really great for that, so that adds a bit of volume before. So I put it on the highest heat setting, which is 220. I grab like quite a thick strand of hair like that, and then I just literally curl it. I hate waiting for this. I'm like so impatient, it actually bores the life out of me, so I just like sit here like, then I catch it in my hand like that, and I keep it there, go like this, and then put a clip in it. Boom. That's how I do it. Right, this here is like a big strand of hair. It's very thick, could be like separated into two. I'm not going to do that because I want thick curls. I don't know why doing this is so therapeutic. I've been so stressed all of today, and now I've sat down to do my hair. I'm just like, for the fringe, I'd love to be able to blow dry it, but I just cannot be bothered. Like, I never ever blow dry my fringe, so I do that at the bottom. So that is how I got that look. I know right now it doesn't look like it will look like that. Trust me, it will. Oh my god. So I've moisturised my face. The first thing that I do is something you're probably all gonna guess. This, it's Max Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and I just spray it all over my face. So that smells beautiful. Okay, so what I do first is my eyebrows. The only thing that I do is I use this. It's the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. And I just go through my brows. It's actually quite affordable as well. Just go through my brows and it just makes them look a lot more fuller. To carve my brows, I use this. This is a godsend. I use it in the shade Light 01. This is like my best friend. This is so cheap and so good. So what I do is I take like a flat brush like that, and I go under my brow. I literally cannot talk and do this. Like that. And then I just put some excess down the bridge of my nose because I find that the hardest place to get to with like foundation and stuff, so I just do that. I actually wouldn't be surprised if this was a dupe for the NARS, to be honest, because it is similar in so many ways. But yeah, that is what I do first. I sometimes switch between doing my foundation first and this. It don't really make that much of a difference. I just do what I want when I want. Then I use this Real Techniques contour brush, and I always blend my concealer out with this, so I just sort of like tap it on my eyes like that so it blends. Not like a proper thick line, you know, like where you've carved the brow. It goes on so like seamless as well, which is what I love about it. It's like silky concealer. It's quite glowy as well, like it's not matte. I do use this, which is a transparent #1 Stay Matte, but as you've seen in the chest, you get this in the chest, and it's an Hourglass translucent setting powder, and I'm sorry, it'd be rude not to try it out. I'm so excited about this because Hourglass is like one of those really like luxurious brands, and I've always wanted to try it out. I don't think I've ever tried anything by Hourglass. So I'm going to use a little kabuki brush and just set this. I want to see how it applies. Ooh, I really should have plucked my eyebrows. It's just ruined the whole experience. That is a good powder. That's made my eyelids look like airbrushed. I always think translucent goes on a lot better than like a pressed powder. I'll give you a close up. Please don't look at my spots. Seamless and beautiful. For my eyes is the most boring thing ever. I get a bronzer. I'm going to use my NARS bronzer in the shade Laguna. And I just get like a fluffy brush, and I go in just a tiny bit. I ain't no makeup artist, alright? I don't care for eyeshadow really. This is the most I do, if anything. I just can't do it, so I prefer like a good base and then just a bit of brown on my eyes. I just put it in my crease as well, like that. That is all I do. I know, crazy. I'm going to stop my eyes and go into my base now. The foundation that I've been loving at the moment is this. It's the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I've been wearing it for nights out, and oh my god, it stays on so well. I'm glad that I've picked that back up and started using it, to be honest. I do like to put it on the brush first, which is probably not the greatest thing to do, but I do it. The coverage of this is so good. Look at that. I love it. This is what I mean by like I change up some products. Like this is something that I've changed, and I've used to use this foundation, but lately I've just been like, do you know what? Try out different things. So I tried this out and I love it. I got a lot of spots and, you know, breakout This is probably a little bit darker than my tan. But I am going to lighten it up with concealer under my eyes and stuff, so it will come together. Please trust the process. But yeah, look at that. Like, did you see the redness that I had? My spots are always so angry when I'm doing my period, and did you see how good that covered it up? I always make sure to put a bit on my ears as well, because sometimes I don't do that and it just doesn't look right. I just go around and dab it so that it's all like, you know, salted out. Then go down my neck. That is the foundation. I know, crazy. I have tanned, but then after that I go in again with my concealer, and I just go here under my eyes like that, and then like that, and like flick. This goes a long way, so I don't do too much on my nose because it just doesn't look right. And then I use this brush again, just to dab the concealer in. I'm actually gonna set that with that Hourglass powder because I really like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with that again. Is there a quicker way to do this? I don't get it. Right, I'm going to get the same brush and just go under my eyes. So there's no creases. I hate it when my concealer just like creases up. That is a good powder, you know. Do you know like when you smooth your face on Facetune or like any other app? That is how this makes me feel. Like with your under eye, it looks so smoothed out and seamless. I absolutely love it. I saw a makeup artist as well say never like drag your powder. I mean, it's probably common sense, but tap it like that and it just goes on far better. So that has set my concealer really good. Now I need to do my contour. So I use multiple different bronzers, and I'm really upset because I can't find my go-to, which is Give Me Sun by MAC. I do have Dark Deep, which I use to sort of contour rather than like bronze. So the bronzers that I use are these when I've run out of my Give Me Sun, because it's literally hit pan so bad. So I use Sun Bronze in Rimmel, or I use the NARS Laguna. Yeah. So I'll show you what this looks like. It's the Rimmel one. I've used this for like quite a few years now. But this is more of like my backup, you know, if I don't have something in. Well, these are both my backups, to be honest. This is probably more of a cool tone matte, I think. I actually use this brush for this, so I'll just do that. I personally prefer this a little bit more, this NARS one. I just go down my neck as well with a big fluffy brush. Jawline all the time, because it actually helps make your jawline look really good. That's what I've noticed. And then, oh my god, I nearly broke that. Then I take more of like a square brush like this to go down like my nose, so just like that. And then what I use to just sort of build it up the tiniest bit is the Dark Deep. Where have you gone? Like this. You know, so it adds a little bit more depth. Same with my forehead. Down my nose again. Look, definitely on my jawline, this actually makes your jaw look so good because it's a little bit more of a deeper bronzer. Then I go on to blush. Now, if you've seen my videos before, you'll know how I feel about blush. It's like one of my favourite makeup products in the world. So the one that I'm currently using is this one. It's Life's a Peach by L'Oreal. And I just popped this on with like a little brush. This one's so nice. It smells like peaches, that's why I love it. And it's also just like a nice warm colour. It's not too much. It's like a nice peachy pink. Blush is just the key, honey. But like, look, it's so warm and it goes so nice with like a red tone bronzer. I love this. It's really like affordable as well. I mean, I've probably got a bit overboard, like a clown. Sometimes I put a bit on my nose as well, so it all blends and doesn't look too weird. But how nice is that? Do you know what's good about it as well? It's got like a nice little glow in it. I think there's like tiny specks of glitter in it. Not too much, but it just gives you that like little shine, which I love. Talking about shine, highlighter, I use Soft and Gentle by MAC, and I just put this on with a little MAC brush that I actually got with a bundle from Lookfantastic like last year. I'm gonna use a little bit on my nose. I also got my brow bone. Boom. I don't go too crazy with highlighter. I mean, I probably have, I know, but I'm not like the biggest fan of highlighter. I think it looks good, you know, a little bit. If the camera catches you on flash. I am going to do my lips before I do my eyes, because that's just how I do it. I'm a weirdo. So for my lips, right, my favourite lip liner that I've ever used was MAC Stripped Down. I don't know if someone stole it or if I lost it, but it's gone. I'm really upset about it. Definitely time for me to repurchase that, but I'm going to use Cork by MAC instead. This isn't the exact same colour, it's more of like a darker brown. Because I don't have Stripped Down, I thought I'd just lightly put this on. So yeah, I use that. I like just dab it a little bit so it don't look too harsh, because it's sort of like more of a deeper colour. So that's the colour of it. Really nice shade of like brown. But I'll always use this, you all know what I'm going to put on. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. To be fair, this actually goes quite well with this. My lips are so chapped so poorly. That actually looks quite good. For gloss, I don't even need to say it. You all know what gloss I love. I am not fussy when it comes to glosses. Like, I literally just throw on a pinky gloss and I'm good to go. Gloss literally makes your makeup look a million times better, I promise you. Just start using it if you don't already, okay? Lastly, it's my eyes. And for my eyes, it's the most simple thing ever. So I'll get lash curlers and curl my lashes, obviously. This actually scares me because you know when it like clips on your eyelid and it literally is the worst pain for that like 2 seconds. But yeah, I just keep curling them. I know. It's not good for your eyelashes, but I don't have any, okay? So I'm gonna have to do this. And then what I'm using today is my Black Magic Eye Coat mascara. I sort of use any mascara because I just put like little lashes on the end, like I don't go crazy. Put this on. It's really good as well because look at the wand on it. It's all like bends. Fits your eye really well. And then we wait, because what I like to do is I like it to like sort of dry or get like a little bit tacky. Once it's done that, you can apply like a second coat and it goes like a little bit more bold. I know you're all gonna hate me for this, but as for lashes, I don't know what lashes I'm using. I literally just cut the end of any lash that I'm currently wearing and just stick that on. That is the best I can do with my lashes. Like, my lashes just aren't that long. So I've put the lashes on and that is the full makeup. I really like just sort of natural lashes now, do you know, like on the ends. That is a good tip. Any lashes that you sort of want to like customise or you want to try like the half lash thing, just cut the end off and like pop it on. Now I'm going to take these out and show you what my hair looks like. So it looks like crazy now. But I'll just do that and then that'll just sort of fall better, I think. And then what I do is get my brush and I brush through my curls straight away. Like that, look. Looks absolutely crazy like this. Make sure to brush it because that's what makes it fluffy and like more volumized. And if I feel like I don't have a lot of volume, I'll keep going in with this and just like doing that underneath. I can't even lie, I prefer my hair up than down. I don't even like my hair down. But I thought I'd just incorporate like a little hair tutorial on that specific hairstyle in this video because it was asked for, so I thought, you know what, I'll just do that. But yeah, that is the tutorial and how I did my hair in that photo, and also my makeup, which I always change up a lot, but yeah, this is my current makeup go-to. So I will link all what I use below along with this. So yeah, definitely a great present for like Christmas and stuff, or for yourself. There'll be a discount code below obviously, and the link and stuff and all the details for this box, this little chest. But yeah, that has been the hair makeup tutorial thing. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.